Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to attach a paper stone to a fabric neatly and easily. This video is going to be a quick one, so stay with me to the end. This is the dress I'll be placing the stones on, and the fabric is plain. You can decide to use plain or pattern. I think it looks more beautiful on plain fabrics. And this is the paper stones. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to decide how I want to place these paper stones on the fabric. I got this paper stone from a tailoring shop, and in Nigeria it cost about 500 naira. In order to place these stones, the first thing I'm going to do is to separate these stones from each other. Okay, I'm going to cut it into pieces so that I can have access to each design. So far I've cut out 4 pieces. I'm going to use these 4 pieces first to see if it will be enough. If it will not be enough, then I'll go ahead and use the rest. And because of the way I want to place the stones on the neckline, I'll still go ahead and cut out these designs. I'll separate them again, and after I separate it, I'm going to peel it off. Okay, I'm going to separate the white part from the shiny part of the paper. So you can see what I'm doing. I'll just peel it off this way, and the stones is on the shiny part. Okay, so I'm going to now place it on the neckline. After placing the stones on the neckline, if you like what you see, you go ahead and smoothen it out. So I picked up the second one again. I opened it up just the way I opened the first one. Then I'll place it in the design. Just make sure that you have an idea of what you want, how you want it to look like. So I'll just go ahead now and place it again. Then arrange it, smoothing it out with my hands. I noticed this stone is not placed where I want it to be because I want more design to go into the neckline. So I peeled it out and placed it up again. So now you can see that after you place it with your hands and it's not properly placed the way you want it, you can remove it gently and place it how you want it. And if the nylon is disturbing the stones or disturbing the way you want to place it, you can just go ahead and trim it off and just place it. Okay. So this is me adjusting the second one also to what I want. Now that I've properly placed the stone and it's where I want it to be, the next thing I'll do is to permanently attach the stone to the fabric. In order to do that, I'll place another fabric on the stones. Okay, if you have a steaming iron, you can use your steaming iron. If there's no steaming iron, just like me, you sprinkle water on it and use your pressing iron. Okay, so you place the iron on it, you press it down to make sure that it stays. For me, on each stone, I press it down about 30 seconds, okay, so that the steam and the hotness will just make sure that the stones stays. And after some time, you remove your iron and you peel off this nylon. Okay, you just peel it off gently. You remove it gently and your stones will be on the fabric. And if you try to remove the nylon and you notice that there's still some stones on the nylon, you place it back and give it another press. Then you peel it off. And I kept on doing the same thing all the way to the down part, and this is what I have. Okay, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to drop a heart for me, hit the like button and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See you in my next video.